Jima, what you should have here is perfect structural alignment that's designed to withstand pressure. Not so much impact, but pressure. If your body is properly aligned, Jima, pressing here should, in theory, feel like pressing right on the floor. Right? If the structure is correct, the pressure is here, it flows down the spine, down the leg, and into the floor. Okay? Now, looking good? Look good, look good. Now I want you to lean back just an inch. He's fine. Were you adducting?
I was.
Yeah, I don't care. Because
You can't hold that.
you cannot hold that. So once this happens, you're not relying on structure, you're relying on muscle. Now, that structural alignment is all good and wonderful, but until you put the glue on it, that's the adduction, doesn't matter either. Then you'll just flop into nothing. So one, adducted but tilted, you'll just tip over. Or I've got it, and you get pushed and you'll just crumble without that adduction. That's how critical it is, folks.